So it's just 2 weeks I've been using this the new Realme 6, and I would say this is one of the best devices at this price point. Price is around 14,000 at present. This is one of those super budget phones that you can buy. And with that being said, let's go straight into the video. And coming to the camera performance, it's a quad camera setup. The camera is very good. I believe the sensors do quite well, and you can click good pictures. The front camera does well, not very good, but yeah, good. The low light performances of this camera struggles, but then yeah, the macro sensor is quite well as well, I believe. Coming to the fingerprint sensor, it's a side mounted fingerprint scanner, but then it's fast and reliable. But then I believe that when you just want to see the time and you just press the power button, it naturally unlocks and you do not want to. So that was the problem, I guess. When it comes to the screen is vibrant enough, but then I had issues while using it in the sun. I hope you have also noticed it too. So yeah. Also, if you come to the it's a 20:9 aspect ratio device, so it's easy to hold. Not that it's quite large or quite. It's compact in hand and also lightweight. It's a polycarbonate back and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on front. So that's a downgrade from Realme, and there's no glass back. But then there is some little issue of heating, but then that's fine. The 90Hz display is buttery smooth, and we come to the Helio G93 processor, which we used under the Redmi Note 8 Pro, and it gave huge performances. I hope if you get custom ROMs, then this device could be a beast under the hood, but then yeah, we have to wait and see. When you use a 90Hz display refresh rate, it's like amazing smooth, and you don't get a feature like that in the smartphone at this price. And also, yeah, the new Pro, as they said, 6 really justifies the fact it's one of the best phones under the price range at present. I didn't feel like that there are too many cons. The cons I have already discussed, but then also yeah, the Realme UI has been personally one of my favorites. They have been extremely well and well customized, I believe. I have used many UIs out there. MIUI has been one of those UIs which I absolutely hate, but yep, when I use the Realme UI, I have been a fan of this recently. Also, the Realme Labs, you get dark mode and audio share, so which is one of those fine things. I hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends. I hope to see you in my next one. Till then, goodbye. And for our verdict, Realme 6 is one of the best phones that you get at this price point.